Alright guys, so today what we're gonna be talking about is Kix AI Book Creator, specifically the subscription plans and book types which you have available. I know that this point confuses some people. We've received a number of requests to clarify it, and we try to make the website as clear as possible, but just in case it isn't, here we go. These are the pricing plans on the website. As you can see, there's a number of different plans available. When you create an account on Kix AI Book Creator, you're going to be in the free plan. That's where you're going to start out. And that's this over here. And with the free plan, you never pay any subscription fee. That's why it's showing as $0 per month. Now we've got a number of different plans, and to understand the difference between these plans, we're going to take a bit of a diversion first. And we're first going to talk about the different kinds of books that you can order on Kix AI Book Creator. And there's really 3 different kinds of books you can order. Now they all look similar. They're all books with introductions, table of contents, essentially they all look similar from the structure perspective, but they're written in different ways. And the first one we're going to discuss is the regular book type, and that's really our most advanced, essentially our highest quality book type. If you choose the regular book type when you're ordering a book on Kix AI Book Creator, that's going to get you a book which is reviewed by a human and also written with our highest quality AI models. This is the one we recommend most for publication. If you intend to publish your books on Amazon, KDP, or somewhere else, somewhere where they're going to be sold to a commercial audience, we do recommend that you use the regular book type. And the regular book type, you submit your book request through Kix AI Book Creator, and then your request is reviewed by a human to make sure it's in a format that the AI can understand. It's sent to the highest quality AI book models and our proprietary software to write your book. And then the final output is also reviewed by a human again before it's handed off to you. That human may contact you anytime during this process to ask you further questions if anything needs clarification. So there's a human in the loop. And that's why it's the most expensive book type, and it's also written with the highest quality AI that we have available. It's really the one we recommend most for publication. Now the fast track maximum quality is kind of similar. The only thing which it doesn't include is there's no human in the loop. So this is fully automated. I've skipped over the fast track, which I'll come to in a second. And I've gone to fast track MQ here. MQ means maximum quality. This book request, these book requests are also handled by the highest quality AI we have available. From the software perspective, they're the same, but there's no human in the loop. So your request is not reviewed by a human at any point before submission to the AI. The final output is also not reviewed by a human. This is also capable of generating a publication quality book, since it's written with the highest quality AI that we have available, like I said. But it kind of depends on you. Are you very good at prompting AI? Are you good at understanding what AI is good at and is not good at? Are you good at following all the instructions we provide on the screen during submission of the book and reading about how Kix AI works and what its limitations are? If the answer to all of those is yes, and you're probably AI power user at work, you know how AI works, you know how to talk to AI to get the most out of it, you know it needs to be told certain things which it might not know otherwise. If you know all that, then go ahead and submit your books on Fast Track MQ. You might not need the regular book type at all. And you could also get a publication quality book out of Kix AI Book Creator using the Fast Track MQ book request book type. And that's going to give you your book back much faster, typically within an hour, and obviously at a lower price, much lower price, because there's no human in the loop. Now, to be clear, we think even the prices for the regular book types are very low and affordable. I mean, these prices are nothing compared to what a human ghostwriter would charge you, but in any case, you can save some even more money with going to Fast Track MQ if you're good at prompting AI. Finally, The other kind of book type that we offer is the Fast Track, which is very similar to Fast Track MQ, except that it's not written with the highest quality AI models we have available. It's written with cheaper, high quality, still high quality AI models, but not the very best ones. We don't quite recommend Fast Track for publication, although we do know that many people do publish Fast Track books, and they do get good reviews and all that using them. These are still good books, to be clear, but they're not the very best, and we like to publish the very best. So that's why we recommend you go with regular and Fast Track. Now, Fast Track is just like Fast Track MQ. You'll have your book back in an hour. And like we said, otherwise all these book requests have many similarities. You will get to see your introduction, your table of contents. If you're writing a fiction book, it will be a first chapter, not an introduction. But you'll get to see all that before proceeding with payment for your book. So essentially, you'll know exactly if the AI is on the right track or not, and you'll have a very good idea of how things are going. So that basically tells you all about our book types. And now we can understand what the differences between the plans are. Why would you upgrade from the free plan? You can order all these book types on the free plan. Well, the answer is you'd save money. As you can see, if you go up to higher, more expensive plans, the prices for all these book types come down. They actually come down a lot. By the time you get to the Pro plan here, you're getting books for very cheap. I mean, it's cheaper to write your own book in most cases than buy a book off the shelf from Amazon or Barnes & Noble or a bookstore. I mean, even if you're not publishing the books, you're just using them for yourself and reading them yourself, you can get them at a lower price just by writing them yourself. Essentially, it's kind of crazy. I guess this is the power of artificial intelligence. But that's what it gets you. Essentially, if you go to higher subscription plans, you get books for cheaper, and this is across all book types. Not only that, you actually get monthly credits. So these don't exist on the free plan. There are no monthly credits. But if you go to the higher plans, what you start getting every month is you get, let's take the basic plan by way of example here. You're going to get 4 Fast Track book credits and 2 Fast Track MQ book credits. That means every month, without further payment, on top of your subscription fee, just included with that subscription fee, you can actually write 4 Fast Track books for free and 2 Fast Track MQ books for free. So if you add it all up, you're actually getting, with that $39 a month subscription fee, you're getting $80 per month of value of book request credits. The plan is more than paying for itself, actually. So that's another reason that you might want to upgrade your plan, to take advantage of that. And that continues going like that across the other 2 plans too. So the standard plan here, that's going to come with 8 Fast Track credits, 4 Fast Track MQ ones, and so on and so forth. The Pro plan comes with the most, as you can imagine. And when you include the value of those credits, these plans really pay for themselves many times over. And they're definitely something you want to look at, especially if you're going to be writing many books every month. And by the way, we do recommend that you write many books every month, because that's the best way to increase your chances of success on a book publishing platform like Amazon KDP. Don't just try to win the lottery and come out with a bestseller on your first book attempt. It's really better if you publish many books on a continuous basis, and that way you'll maximize your chances of success. That's what our plans are designed to enable you to do. So that's why you would consider, or why you should consider upgrading your plan, although the free plan is perfectly good for starting out. And that really is an introduction to all the book types and plans that we have. One last note I'd like to throw in here is that your monthly credits on the paid plans, these do not roll over. So if you have monthly credits which you haven't used in a particular month, it's not possible to roll them over and use them in the month after that. So we do encourage you, if you do sign up for a paid plan, to use all your monthly credits and make sure that you get the maximum benefit from your plan that way. And that wraps it up for today, and we hope to see you online, and we hope to see you generating new books and adding to your collection and adding to your portfolio. And good luck with everything.